everyone! Today, we are going to fold a very simple and cute puppy. Prepare a square piece of paper. Alright, let's get started. First, fold these two corners together. Then, fold these two corners together. Rotate it. Fold this corner over here. Turn it over. Fold this corner over here as well. Make it symmetrical with the corner behind. Alright, it should look like this. Unfold. Now, fold this corner over here. Fold this corner over here. The nose is done. Then, pull out the top layer. Fold it to the back. Flip this corner out. Press it down. Now, our puppy is ready. Then, draw the nose and eyes on the puppy. Start by drawing the nose. Find a black pen. Be very careful here. Draw a triangle. Alright. Next, draw the mouth. Draw a few dots. Then draw the puppy's eyes. Draw an oval on the left. Draw an oval on the right. Draw the pupils in the eyes. Also draw some spots. The puppy is drawn. Next, we need to glue it. Put the nose in place. Apply some glue here. Flip it down. Stick it on. Then, apply some glue here too. Also glue underneath the ears. Pick it up. Unfold this area. Alright, our puppy is done. Thank you all for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.